Pennzoil Platinum and Pennzoil Ultra Platinum are sitting right next to each other on the Walmart shelf, and most guys have no idea what's actually different between them, and whether the extra $8 to $10 per jug is buying you meaningful engine protection or just a fancier label. These are both Pennzoil full synthetics, using the same gas-to-liquids base oil technology, and the difference between them is real, but it's not what most people think. If you've been wondering whether to upgrade from Platinum to Ultra Platinum, or whether the Platinum is doing the same job for less money, I'm going to break this down across 4 categories and give you a clear answer. Let me start with what each product actually is. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic is the base-level full synthetic offering in the Pennzoil lineup. It uses Shell's Pure Plus gas-to-liquids base oil technology, natural gas as the starting material, refined into a purer synthetic base stock with fewer impurities and more consistent molecular structure than conventionally refined synthetic base oils. Pennzoil Platinum carries API-SP certification and ILSAC GF6 compliance. It's rated for up to 10,000 miles under normal service. You'll find it at Walmart for $24 to $26 for a 5-quart jug. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic is the premium tier above Platinum. It uses the same gas-to-liquids Pure Plus base oil, but with an enhanced additive package, higher concentrations of the anti-wear, anti-oxidation, and film strength additives designed to deliver stronger protection under more demanding conditions and to maintain that protection through a longer drain interval. Ultra Platinum is rated for up to 15,000 miles. At Walmart, you'll find it for about $32 to $36 for a 5-quart jug, $8 to $10 more per change than Platinum. Round 1 is wear protection. Both oils use the same gas-to-liquids base stock, so the base oil cleanliness advantage they both have over conventional crude oil-derived synthetics applies equally to Platinum and Ultra Platinum. The difference in wear protection lives in the additive package. Ultra Platinum has higher concentrations of anti-wear additives, zinc, phosphorus, and friction modifier compounds that provide a deeper anti-wear film under high contact pressure. For a Hemi owner towing a fifth wheel regularly, or a truck that sees sustained high-load operation, the deeper additive reserve in Ultra Platinum translates to better protection at the demanding end of the performance envelope. For everyday normal driving without sustained severe use, Platinum's additive package is fully adequate. Ultra Platinum takes round 1 in severe service applications. Score: Ultra Platinum 1, Platinum 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. The flash point on Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is slightly higher than Platinum, in the 450 to 458 degree Fahrenheit range, versus 445 to 452 for Platinum, depending on viscosity. The NOACK volatility on Ultra Platinum is lower, around 7 to 8% versus 8 to 10% for Platinum. Lower NOACK means less oil burning off at high temperature, more protective mass staying in your engine under sustained heat stress. For a Silverado pulling a heavy trailer on a long mountain grade in summer heat, Ultra Platinum's lower volatility translates to marginally more oil present in the engine at the most demanding point of the drive. Ultra Platinum takes round 2. Score: Ultra Platinum 2, Platinum 0. Now here's where the value calculation starts to work in Platinum's favor. Round 3 is cold weather performance and everyday value. Both Pennzoil Platinum and Ultra Platinum, in the same viscosity grade, have nearly identical cold flow performance. The 5 at the front of 5W30 describes the cold start flow characteristic, and both formulations in 5W30 have comparable pour points around -40 to -42 degrees Celsius. In real-world cold starts across American winter temperatures, there is no practical cold start performance difference between Platinum and Ultra Platinum at the same viscosity. What Platinum has going for it is the $8 to $10 price advantage per change. For a truck owner changing 3 times a year on a 5,000-mile schedule, Platinum saves $24 to $30 annually versus Ultra Platinum for identical cold start protection. Platinum takes round 3 on value. Score: Ultra Platinum 2, Platinum 1. Round 4 is oil life and cost per mile. Ultra Platinum is rated for 15,000 miles. Platinum is rated for 10,000 miles. Here's where the math determines which one you should buy. At 15,000 miles per change, with Ultra Platinum at $34 per change, you're spending about $227 per 100,000 miles in oil. At 10,000 miles per change, with Platinum at $25 per change, you're spending $250 per 100,000 miles. Ultra Platinum is actually cheaper per mile of engine protection at its rated interval. If you run Ultra Platinum at 15,000 miles, you're saving money over Platinum at 10,000 miles while getting better protection. Ultra Platinum takes round 4 on total cost when used correctly. Final score: Ultra Platinum 3, Platinum 1. Here's my verdict. This comparison comes down to one question. Are you going to use Ultra Platinum at its rated 15,000-mile interval or not? If yes, Ultra Platinum is worth every dollar. Go to Walmart, grab the 5-quart jug of Pennzoil Ultra Platinum in your engine's specified viscosity for about $34 and change it at 15,000 miles or when your oil life monitor hits about 15%. For F-150 owners with the 5.0 V8 calling for 5W30, that's your oil. For Ram 1500 Hemi owners on 5W20, same answer. If you're going to buy Ultra Platinum and change it at 5,000 miles anyway, because that's your habit, buy Pennzoil Platinum at $25 and save $9 per change. You'll get equivalent protection at your actual change interval and spend less money doing it. I've got direct links to both Pennzoil Platinum and Ultra Platinum in the description below, with the right viscosities for the most common American truck engines. Next time, I'm exposing the biggest lie that oil change shops tell you every single time you drive in, and it has cost American car owners billions of dollars over the last 30 years. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.